June 1st, 2018. Well, I had to go back to the doctor again yesterday for this bout of asthma. Got x-rayed and they determined that I'm going through some sort of like reverse biological intestinal metamorphosis. Those familiar with the birth of the infant that Mork and Mindy had, and Mork and Mindy will be familiar with this, at least with one variation of that process, which was reverse aging, because their child was born like older middle age and gets younger as time progresses, and this is a reduction of the X-ray, and you'll notice, never mind my eyeglasses and the cap I was wearing, that they discovered the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Uden fishes, but not mature Uden fishes, but like fishlettes, Uden fishlettes in my chest cavity, and they've recommended I immerse myself in a bath every day to soak in the fumes, the vapors, I mean, of a mix of like Hungarian plum brandy, Greek ouzo, Polish vodka, a smattering of Manischewitz or Morgan David, and mixed with like distilled water, and that will help kind of clear out the asthmatic evolutionary Paleolithic change from my modern self into like a gilled creature. This is probably born of the fact that I've been doing a fair amount of swimming lately, and evidently this caused a complex cellular change, molecularly in the cell structure of me, and actually I wondered what was going on, because yesterday morning I had a coughing fit, and I was coughing out these little tiny little droplets of Uden fishlets, and I was like, wow, what is this? Like, whoa, give me a break. Woo! So I finally pulled myself together and called my healthcare provider and commuted up there. And, not a moment too soon. So anyway, there you have it. The X-ray they gave me. All right. Okay, I'll say adieu for now, and may your fishlets multiply with a smile.